Good morning everyone, it's Anna from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 bringing you our stunning new into stock Mercedes A35. These fly out the door. We've had so many at the minute and all the ones we've got, we only buy the best. Premium plus, one owner, full Mercedes service history, beautifully maintained and well looked after cars. And let me tell you, these sell before they even get onto the website. So if you're looking for an A35 with a fantastic spec, this could be the one for you. It's Premium Plus, of course, night pack, Aero Kit, 19-inch diamond cut alloys, privacy glass. I love them with an Aero Kit. I think I only want to buy them with an Aero Kit now. But they are absolutely stunning. Beautiful grey colour, gloss black tailpipes. This car has been very, very well looked after. No dents or big scratches or anything. We always recommend getting machine polish on all our cars that go out, just to preserve the life of the paint. But I mean, look at the bonnet, it's really in brilliant condition for a car that's 2 years old now. It is fabulous. I'll just show you the interior as well. It's full black leather, tons and tons of spec, privacy glass. You've got heated electric memory seats, AMG carpet mats. They're fully electric seats as well, which is always nice. And super comfy inside. The leather inside is in fantastic condition. The steering wheel is in fantastic condition. And because it's the facelift model, it has the largest screen which spans across most of the car. It's got Apple CarPlay. Let me just turn it on for you. That would help. There's your full digital display, as you can see. Just exit that. All your different apps as standard. Comfort mode, media, like you can sat nav, you can Bluetooth your phone. It's got the Apple CarPlay. It's also got the ambient lighting, as you can see. It's on blue and purple at the minute. It is such a beautiful car. Storage there, cup holders. You've got your sat nav there, media and radio. You've got your sensors, park assist, as well as reverse camera. As you can see, you can get quite a wide angle on that as well. Heated seat buttons just there, along with your electric memory settings. You can change your driver display simply by using these buttons here to show how you want your display to be shown. More storage under here, as well as your pan roof, which has sliding blind, which is a lovely option. Always, I love a pan roof. It has the bonus of having an opening pan roof as well. Looks a bit murky under there, sorry. Someone's not wiped that properly. But yeah, so that opens lovely, get the air in for summer. Seats in the back are all in amazing condition. There's no car seat marks or anything like that. All the leather is in beautiful, beautiful condition. You've got your climate control as well. Just show you in the back. Really, really lovely condition with the seats in the back as well. Like I said, this car has been really, really well looked after. Plenty of space in the boot, and those seats fold flat as well, so you can get loads and loads of storage in them. Parking sensors on the back, reverse camera, and of course that factory fitted black Aero Kit, which just looks super smart and sporty. Now these really don't last long, so if you are interested, do get in touch. We have great rates of finance at the minute from 9.9% APR, and we can get you approved with one of we've got 13 lenders now. So yes, if you have any more questions, just let us know. Give us a follow on YouTube, or email us at info@kingsbridgeautos.co.uk, or if you go onto our website, click the WhatsApp button and one of our sales team will be more than happy to help you. Hope you enjoyed this video.